Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to Kanchanaburi Trip. We are just wanna get away from the city, and we took the train from the Thonburi train station. It took around 3 hours roughly, and it's very nice view on the way. And we stopped by Kanchanaburi bridge, Quay bridge, to take motorbike and then go to stay in the van camp. Let's see.
À, หวานมากนะหวานน้อยสัก You see yours? Where's yours? This is our car house. Is that car house?
Caravan.
Huh?
Caravan.
Caravan, not car house. This is in front, have 2 decks. 2 chairs, 1 deck. Let's see inside. This little area to sit in here. And this is a toilet, but we can't use. We have a toilet outside. This one is a refrigerator. That's a drink a little bit, and then this cabinet. Oh, it's electric. AC and bed. It's quite cozy actually. I love it. The light upstairs and the paint. So open like this. We are here, guys. It's a local restaurant. We got dinner here. I ordered a lot of food. You see what I got. So nice. It's a restaurant nearby the road. Really local. Love it. Noodle soup. Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, and we also got to rest. So good.
Wait from downstay camping. It's a pork with soup. They also have another van camping. This one is small for us, but I like this one. That one, and we stay in that one. Very huge that one. Christmas.